Video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can change your email address on the AliExpress app. If any day you would like to change your email address on the AliExpress app, at first you have to find the very AliExpress application on your device. After you find it, you have to tap on it. After you tap on it, it will be launched on your very device. After it's launched on your very device, now you have to go to the profile section on the top portion. Now, after you tap on the profile section on the top portion, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of edit. When you tap on the option of edit, it will take you to an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of account information. After you tap on the account information, now here you have to tap on the option of email address. After tapping on email address, now it will take you to the section of account information. Now here you can see that you have to verify your email at first. For that, a code will be sent to your very email that you have added on the account. Now, after a verification is sent on your very email, you have to go there and you have to see the verification code that is sent. Now, after you see the verification code that is sent, you have to keep it here. You have to just see it here, and if you find it, now you have to add the verification code here. My verification code is 540197. Now here I tap it, 540197. Now like this, you also need to add on your verification code that is sent to your very email account. You have to search your email account and you can see the very email code or the verification code that is sent to you. Now after you tap your verification code, what you have to do is you have to tap on verify. After tapping on verify, now you can see the interface like this. After seeing an interface like this, now here what you have to do is you have to tap on your new email. Now after you tap on your new email, you can see that it will show an interface like this. You have to tap on your new email, and after you tap on your new email, you have to go to the option of continue. After tapping on the option of continue, now what you have to do is you have to go to the very new email that you have added. Now for that, you can change your email and then you can go to the very new email here. After that, you can see that a new verification is sent to your new email as well. Mine is 084971. Now this way, which is your email verification code, you have to add here. You have to go to your email, and after that you can find the verification code and then go to the option of verify. After that, you have to tap on the option of continue, and this way your email will be changed on the very AliExpress account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.